If you wake up tired, feel bloated after every meal, and your skin's been acting up, it's not random. These are your gut's early warning signs, and the longer you ignore them, the worse it gets. Your gut isn't just about digestion. It's the foundation of your immunity, mood, metabolism, and even skin health. But when your gut gets overloaded, the symptoms start slow and sneak up on you. Let's talk about 7 signs your gut is screaming for help, and how to naturally restore it before it spirals out of control. Gut trouble doesn't always mean disease. It means your digestive system is inflamed, imbalanced, or overwhelmed. Stress, poor sleep, junk food, antibiotics, they all chip away at your gut lining and disrupt your gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria that keep your system in balance. When this ecosystem breaks down, your whole body feels it. Bloating or gas after meals, even with small portions. Irregular bowel movements, constipation or diarrhea that comes and goes. Fatigue after eating, your body is struggling to break food down. Cravings for sugar or carbs. Bad bacteria in your gut thrive on sugar. Mood swings or brain fog. 90% of serotonin is made in the gut. Bad breath or coated tongue, often a sign of microbial imbalance. Skin flare-ups, like acne, eczema, or sudden sensitivity. You don't need extreme juice cleanses or expensive supplements. Here's what actually works, backed by both science and tradition. 1. Hydration. First, start your day with warm lemon water. Drink herbal teas, peppermint, chamomile, fennel. 2. Feed good bacteria. Eat prebiotic fiber, bananas, oats, leafy greens. Add probiotics, tempeh, kimchi, unsweetened yogurt. 3. Daily gut reset habits. Sleep 7-8 hours. Light movement, walking, stretching. Deep breathing or stress journaling. No heavy meals after 8 p.m. 4. Gut-friendly foods. Papaya for enzymes. Chia seeds for digestion. Ginger for bloating relief. Healing your gut isn't about overnight miracles. It's about daily habits that give your digestive system a break, rebuild your microbiome, and reduce inflammation. Listen to your body. It's always been telling you the truth. You just have to hear it. Let us know in the comments. Which sign have you been ignoring? And if you want more natural ways to feel better, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your body will thank you for it.